the button. So, if you guys like, I will play Don't Press the Button 2 after. Alright, let's play now. So, I think I've played this once. I don't really play it that much. So, yeah. I want to press the button. Okay, I'll finish the obby. I'm actually like not bad and not good at obbies. Like this bacon's actually beating me. This bacon's beating me. Oh my god. The bacon beat me. Oh my god, what? The bacon beat me. That's how bad at obbies I am. Oh my god. I'm so bad. No, I'm not gonna finish the obby. No. Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna press the button. Trivia quiz 2020, right? Like, it's like such a. Okay, still on the question because that doesn't make sense. Take a picture, get in the white background. What? Why do I look like that? Why do I look like that? I look so weird. Oh my god, I look so weird. Go. Ow. Go faster, guys. No. Okay, fine. I'll get eaten by the noob. It is actually kind of fun. No. I wanna walk. Me gonna walk. I'm gonna walk. Wait, I'm stuck now. Okay, never mind. Ew. 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 Don't look at me. Oh my god, look. I hate this face. Why does it move? It looks bad. Wait, we have a full mouth now with a tongue and the correct key for the door. This key, maybe. What door? Oh, that door. Wait, not that key. Maybe this key. I'm gonna do this. Not that? Aww. I thought I found it for a second. Press it, press it, press it. Oh no. I'm not getting the hot potato. Yeah. I don't lose. I call pressing L. What? What? No! Ow! What just happened? Oh my god, this girl is like on half, like, her health. Blah blah, to stop the runners from traps. Oh no, we gotta go. 2, 1, go! Oh no. Why don't I just, like, I could have just jumped up there. Couldn't I? Ooh, that looks kind of cool. 2 in 1. Gotta get the diamond. Gotta get the. Got it. Go on. I'll go on blue, I guess. No, I wanna get the diamond after. I'll get the diamond. No, get the diamond. I went in the corner. What? What? I don't get it. Is it like 4 corners or what? I really don't get it. Why am I through the glass? That's so weird. Why do you have that thing? What even is that? Ghost detector or something? I'm gonna get the diamond. No, no, girl. Why you use Robux? No, me, no. Nice, yes. Diamond, 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 diamond. No. Escape. Where are we supposed to escape from? No. Gotta go fast. Fast, fast. No, no. Faster, faster. No, wait, oh, we can't go there. At least I'm out of the building. What just happened? Why is it called burger something? Can I touch it? I'm gonna touch it. Yay! Oh, I just went inside the building. No, that's gonna be mine. Oh my god, not again. But I just go in here. I can't. Okay. No, 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 no. We are going out. Yeah, go faster, faster. We're going faster, 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 faster. We're going faster, going faster, going faster. Okay, I made it. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's very interesting. Wait, why don't I go up here? Oh, wow, that's so cool. I made it. Yes. No, gotta get diamond. No, I just got it. No, diamond. Go here. I think this is the right place. Not the right place. Not correct. I haven't seen them come back, so I have a feeling that this is where to go. Maybe here too. I'm the only one who went this way. I think this is actually the way to go. Because it feels like it. All that to go on a dead end. Oh my god. That's so annoying. I should have gone with the group. No, I'm gonna lose. What? Oh, I got those two actually. Why can't I jump? No. Fast. Yes. No. Diamond? No diamond. Roof pizza box? Oh, yay, I have pink. Girl, yours is green. What are you doing? Yes. I'm pressing the button. I don't think you guys can see me tapping it, but I'm tapping it right now with my finger. I play on my phone, so yeah. I think I pressed it. Click the button, get ready. I'm spam clicking it. I'm spam collecting. It's actually kind of hard to do. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh, that's actually kind of good. Oh no, no. Click, don't move. Oh my god, I didn't move. Now I did move. Yay, I got it. No, I'm gonna get the diamond. Okay, so now I memorized it. Pretty sure I went this way though. Not sure. I didn't really memorize it, but like, yeah. I'll go this way. Not here. Beep, beep. Gotta go fast. Faster. Okay, okay. Hello? Here or there? It's here. Yes, I think I made it. Yes, I did. I was the first one to. Oh, never mind. Oh, diamond, diamond, diamond. Okay, okay. Okay. What's this? I have no idea. Yes, made it. Yeah. No, I'm gonna get. No. No, sorry, I can't add people. And I don't want to anyway. No. I'm gonna get that no matter what. No, I almost got it. Just look at me, just terrified to be able to. I was like tearing apart. I don't really care about coins, honestly, so it's fine, it's fine. Who popped the most, and how many did we get? Oh, 2, 1. But fast, fast, fast. Yes. Maybe this could work. Did I do it? No. View this key maybe? Oh, this key. Maybe this key. No. Come on, guys, go faster. It must be in here now, then. It's not. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. No, guys, I'm not gonna let you. No, no, no. No, no, no. Get it? No. I'm jumping in it. Get into my hole. Well, our hole. Our hole is better. Get it in. Get it in. In. Get in. Get it in. No, no, no. Move, girly pop. Move. I'm gonna get it in and it's not helping. Yes. Yes. We did it. Yes. We did it. What? Okay, I have no idea what you mean, but okay. Alright. We gotta go, 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 go. No, no. We gotta go, 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 go. Before the building burns down. We gotta go before the building burns down. Da 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 da. Okay, that's just the song I just made. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. I'm not gonna get copyrighted because I made that song just right now. So, don't worry. Get off, or the building's gonna burn down. Yeah, we won. Hello, girly. Cross the road. It's like crossy road, kind of. No, how are we supposed to cross the road? No, now we can't go. Yeah, I'm gonna camouflage, guys. I'm so camouflaged. Wait, and oh my god, they can't even see me. Like, if I do like this, they literally can't. Wait, they could see me now, but like this, not like this, they can't see me. See? Like, them can see me like that. But if they go like around, then they could. So hit the most cut. What? What is this? Oh, I'm supposed to shoot them. Okay. pretty good at it still. No, go faster. Yes. Oh my god, what? Alright, I'm okay. So I'm gonna end the video right here with my terrible face. Oh, I'm gonna end it with this girl, I guess. Hi. Hi. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe because for more more gaming videos and like random videos when I reach 100 subscribers. So yeah. Oh, sorry about that, guys. So yeah. Bye, guys.